Hello guys, today I'm going to be playing this game called Get Fat to Splash. And I look like a skeleton, I look so ugly. So let's start, and please make sure to like and subscribe. It's saying go to dive. Let's dive, I guess. French fry? Okay. And I am $55. That's not bad. I don't know if that's good or not, but what is it saying? Okay, you can buy an egg. Okay, let's buy an egg for 50 coins. Let's see what I get. Spikes. Is that good? I don't think it's good, but oh yeah, that's a 4.8 multiplier. That's very good. I guess that was like a 20% chance or 10% chance or something. I get 23 seconds already. That's so good actually. So is that going to make our money upgrade or the pets? Let's dive. What was that sound? Did you hear that? Oh, I just got 128 coins, yeah. Look how tiny your legs is, like skinny. They're like pieces of toothpick. Oh, there's even foods. Just like Climate Plunge. It's just like that. We get 34 seconds now. Not bad. And we got a cupcake, right? Yeah, it's a cupcake. Or muffin. I don't know. Guys, what do you think? Is a cupcake or muffin good? Like same? Are they same? Because I think they both are different. Rebirth, should we? Yeah, okay, let's rebirth. Oh yeah, it's helping us a lot. Actually, no. Oh yeah, actually it is. Oh, look how jacked we are. We are so jacked. Let's get another rank. So, oh my, we get 71. That's so good. We have 4K burger level or fat, I don't know. We got, oh my, we just got so much money. 421. Should we open another egg, guys? Yeah, let's do it. Let's see what I get. Cloudy, that's the worst one, right? It's the fish, yeah, it's the worst one. Let's open another one. We got another cloudy. Let's open another one. Bubbles, that's the second worst one. What is that? Wait, it's saying rebirth for higher size level. I can't do it now, I need to rebirth. So, rebirthing. Now my max size is 10. We get 168. That's really good, guys. That's so good. Comment down below if you guys have played this game, because this game is kind of getting popular. I've seen this is kind of getting popular. I don't know how many visits, but it's like covering my homepage. This is how many visits it has. It has 27 million visits actually, which is not bad. Okay, now let's dive. We have 12,000 actually. Oh no. Edge. He has 5,000. 1,000 coins. Brother, that's so much. That's so much more. 500. We got the Croissant. Do you guys pronounce it croissant? Okay, never mind. Let's 283 a second. And look at our fat. It's like 23, 24, 25. Oh my gosh. Wait, we need to rebirth again. Let's rebirth. Rebirth rank claim. Oh my. Okay, that has. We already reached level 6? And level 8 now. That's almost 9. Let's clear this. Oh my god. Why do we have 2 faces? Huh? And I'm actually so fat now. We have 57,000. 60,000. We're almost about to reach level 12. The yummy clown brings you delicious food. I don't know what that means. Okay, we got 65,000. Let's see how much money we got. 8.5 thousand. Oh my gosh, brother. I'm rich with 9.6k coins. We got 8.5k again. Can we afford the next one? I think we needed 15,000. Yeah. Chicken wrap. I thought that's a taco. Isn't that a taco? We get 1,000 a second almost. Look at this guy. His name is Jack Shack Jack. Blah, blah, blah. We're about to reach 100,000. And yes! 100,000. Let's rebirth again. And I'm back to a skeleton. And now I'm jacked again. I get 1,000 a second now. Anyways, bye guys. Like and subscribe. Smash the like button if you want more. Bye.